text description provided by the architects. This 2013 residence with detached casita is located on the western edge of the Sonora Desert in Rancho Mirage, California. The clients were seeking a durable, climate and resource efficient, modern home to accommodate the seasonal needs of their large family. The 4,000 main house is divided into 2-bedroom wings that cross at the core of daily living patterns, kitchen and living, dining. One wing is dedicated to the master bedroom, home office, while the other wing is dedicated to the children's bedrooms. Both wings have access to the pool courtyard, while the master has an additional private court. The 750 SF detached casita contains 2 bedrooms and a kitchenette. The main house and casita enclose the courtyard and lap pool, while the adjacent rugged hills ground the home in the greater desert context.